Hello viewers, this is Nasrin. Today I'm going to introduce you a new product. This machine, this called 3-in-1 slimming and shaping body care. It's also called beauty machine. This machine is a body massager. We can massage our fat area with this machine. So this also we can call like fat burner. This machine also a weight loss machine. By this machine you can get relax your skin, promote your blood circulation and increase your metabolism. This machine has important 3 functions. One is EMS, second is infrared, and third is ultrasonic. So this is the power button, and this one is EMS. Before we use EMS, we have to clean our skin properly. This machine also a fat burner. Like we have to use wherever we have like fatty area. Some people use like face, neck, or arm, thigh, or abdomen. When you use EMS, you have to like rub your skin 15 to 30 minutes. Just rub. And when you put infrared, then you have to rub your skin like this. But before you rub with this machine, you have to put gel. I use like aloe vera gel. Before you use infrared, the second one, you have to use like gel. This is the aloe vera gel. I will put the link below. Just you can take like few drops and rub your skin. If you want to machine in your skin, then you put little bit gel and put in your skin like this softly, not hardly, like. And you can put little bit gel on your neck, then you can use your neck or in fatty area, like wherever you want to use this machine. Use the gel whenever you use infrared. And third one is ultrasonic. So whenever you use ultrasonic, you're not gonna use EMS or infrared. Ultrasonic has 2 functions. One is low intensity and one is high intensity. So low intensity for face and high intensity for body parts. The ultrasonic wave and far infrared will make your skin like feeling warm. The machine will automatically lower the temperature when it reaches the limitation, so nothing to be scared. By this machine, you can increase your skin circulation, metabolism, and you can make your skin tighter. So if you want to make your skin tight, you can use this machine. Also, don't put this machine in your body joint, like knee area, like this joint. Don't put this machine. This machine only for fatty area, wherever it's need to be slim. So whenever you use ultrasonic, that day only use ultrasonic. And whenever you want to use EMS and far infrared, that day only use those two. This machine really helped to slim and shaping body. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.